Legend of Count Dracula. Nestled high on a jagged cliff, Dracula's castle is a fortress of shadows. Under a storm's furious wrath, its turrets stretch towards the heavens, a silhouette against the tumultuous night. Dark clouds churn, and flashes of lightning reveal the stone gargoyles perched menacingly on the parapets. The castle's Gothic architecture looms large, imbued with an air of foreboding and mystery. Within these walls, the nobleman Count Dracula succumbs to an unholy transformation. Once regal and composed, he is now a figure torn by inner torment. As he stares into an ancient mirror, his reflection fades, replaced by a visage consumed by lust for blood and immortality. The shadows seem to creep around him, wrapping him in darkness, a prisoner to his malevolent thirst. Deep within the castle's bowels, in a candlelit chamber, shrouded in cobwebs, Dracula sits. The flickering flames cast eerie glows on ancient tomes and cryptic symbols etched in the stone. The eerie calm is pierced by an underlying tension, a sense of unease. His dark eyes glimmer with an unsettling blend of intelligence and malice. When the craving for sustenance arises, the transformation is complete. From the depths of his lair, Dracula emerges, a predator on the prowl. The night trembles at his presence. Stealthily, he traverses desolate streets, a figure cloaked in midnight shadows. His prey, blissfully unaware, strolls into his trap. The hunt is on, an event orchestrated with harrowing precision. His victims are spellbound, their eyes glazed with an unnatural allure. Frozen in terror, they face Dracula, powerless against his supernatural charm. Fear and sorrow intertwine as their fate is sealed, the hypnotic trance paving the way for their grim demise. But light brings resistance. Vampire hunters, armed with courage and righteousness, penetrate Dracula's domain. The confrontation is fierce, a violent clash in the heart of darkness. Swords flash and shadows writhe as good battles evil. The tension crackles in the air, a dance of peril played out under a blood-red moon. Yet Dracula's influence casts a wide net. Mina, a paragon of beauty, finds herself ensnared by his charm. Her transformation is a sorrowful descent into darkness, beauty marred by vampiric curse. Her spirit wars against the corruption, a hauntingly beautiful struggle. The end is inevitable. With a resolute heart and unwavering aim, the hunters confront Dracula. A final scream of defiance echoes through the crumbling castle as a wooden stake pierces his heart. The oppressive darkness recoils, the mighty walls crumble, and through the chaos, a faint light emerges. As dawn breaks, serenity returns. The ruins of the castle stand testament to a night of horror, bathed in the soft glow of morning. The curse lifts, the shadows retreat, and a melancholic peace blankets the land. The sun rises, signaling the end of an era of terror and the dawn of hope.